All right, so I just went into the post office to mail something. And as my beautiful wife said, you came out with more than you went in with. Yeah, it only took me 15 minutes to not send something. I can't send a magazine to Canada to one of our patrons. I'm not even going to tell you how much it costs because I don't want him to get self-conscious, because I want to send him this magazine because he needs it for our ongoing consultation that we're doing. But I got to sign and fill out a customs form. Yay government, to send a magazine to Canada that the post office doesn't even send to Canada. It's handled by FedEx. Why am I at the damn post office in the first place? And then, oh, by the way, I'm shipping some fake snuff to another patron that I have left over. He's trying to quit because fake snuff sucks, but it's better than face cancer. Well, I don't know if we can ship that. It's in a sealed container. It fits in your flat rate envelope. Well, I don't know if we can send that. Hold on, let me call my supervisor. No answer. Well, let me call somebody else. No answer. Hold on, let me call over. 3 phone calls, no answers. Yay government. Be independent of the system. Yeah, amen. Look at what a piece of crap this system is. Just go to FedEx. Ow. Go to UPS. Yay capitalism. I don't understand. I don't get it. I don't get it. So, good job, United States Postal Service. Well, you don't understand. We just all work here. We don't make the rules. It's not our fault. You're perpetuating I'll just use a nice word, crappy system. And using that crappy system as an excuse for mediocrity, I hate it.
Okay. Trick or treat!
Arr!